Hello and welcome back to Hope Flicks, your trusted source for the latest US and world news. Today, we've got some major updates, from America's struggling job market to fresh sanctions talks against Russia, a record-breaking Powerball jackpot, political controversy inside the FBI, big moves in the energy sector, and growing backlash against US brands abroad. Let's get started. US job market slows sharply in August. First up, the U.S. job market is showing worrying signs of weakness. In August, only 22,000 jobs were added, far below the expected 80,000. At the same time, unemployment climbed to 4.3%, the highest since October 2021. Healthcare and social assistance saw the most hiring, but industries like manufacturing and professional services slowed down dramatically. Economists are now raising alarms about potential stagflation, that dangerous mix of slow growth and sticky inflation. For everyday Americans, this could mean tougher times ahead. Fewer job opportunities and higher living costs. US and EU discuss new Russia sanctions. Meanwhile, in Washington, US and European Union officials are meeting to discuss stricter sanctions on Russia. This comes after Moscow targeted facilities linked to US companies in Ukraine. The talks are focused on expanding restrictions against Russian energy exports, financial institutions, and even tech supplies. While sanctions aim to pressure Putin, they also risk fueling higher global prices for gas, oil, and essential commodities. For Americans, this could once again affect gas prices at the pump and inflation in the marketplace. Powerball jackpot hits $1.8 billion. On a lighter note, America is buzzing with lottery fever. The Powerball jackpot has now soared to $1.8 billion, making it the largest lottery prize of 2025 and one of the biggest in U.S. history. But here's the catch: the odds of winning are just 1 in 292 million. Still, millions of Americans are buying tickets, chasing the dream of overnight wealth. Whether you play or not, the Powerball is once again sparking conversations about luck, hope, and the power of possibility. FBI leak and Biden family connection. Now to a story making political shockwaves. A new Justice Department watchdog report alleges that former FBI official Charles McGonigal leaked sensitive information to a Chinese-linked firm connected to the Biden family. The report claims McGonigal tipped off executives at CEFC, a Chinese energy company, about U.S. investigations, even as Hunter Biden was reportedly receiving a $1 million retainer from a related affiliate. Republicans say this raises serious questions about political favoritism and national security, while Democrats warn against rushing to judgment. This story is sure to dominate headlines in the weeks ahead. AI boom powers nuclear energy revival. Switching to business. America's energy future is being reshaped by artificial intelligence. Data centers powering AI systems consume massive amounts of electricity, and companies like Vistra Corporation are seeing big profits. Vistra reported $4.25 billion in quarterly revenue, boosted by investments in nuclear, natural gas, and solar projects. Analysts predict earnings could nearly triple by 2030. This could mark a real turning point, where America leans on nuclear energy not just for climate goals, but to fuel the AI revolution. Anti-American sentiment hurts U.S. brands. And finally, some troubling news for American businesses abroad. Major U.S. brands are warning that rising anti-American sentiment, fueled by trade disputes and geopolitical conflicts, is hurting sales. From fashion and tech to fast food, companies are seeing declining customer trust in overseas markets. Experts say this trend could cost billions in lost revenue and force brands to rethink their global strategies. And that wraps up today's headlines, from the job market and politics to billion-dollar jackpots and global business trends. Which of these stories do you think will impact everyday Americans the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hope Flicks for more breaking news and analysis. Until next time, stay informed, stay hopeful.